Should I take the Subi today? I don't want to drive it because I know it's gonna rain later. This is Florida. It might look like this, but it's gonna be a big storm later. Trust me. Another day. Let's go see what the Civic is doing. Hey, we about to go check out the Civic. Just the update on the car. Just needs paint. That's all it needs. Just needs some paint. We already fixed the quarter panel. That whole piece was smashed in. Let me see if I can add a clip. So far all the body work is done. Primer. Already primed it, just need paint now. It's a little dusty, but I'll clean it up whenever I get it painted. Yeah, have the bumpers, everything right there. Oh, wait till you guys see the rims I have for this car. It's gonna look sick. Hopefully by this weekend or next weekend, we should be able to paint.